Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to implement glow maps in your game. So, let's wait for my game to load and I'll show you what they're going to look like. So, you can have it so that certain parts of your model will never go dark like this. So you can have glowing windows at night. You can add in like an extra variable to change it so that they flicker or something. But I'm just going to show you some of my code for this because it's like really short and I have a bunch of extra stuff in mind that would make it take extra long and I'd have to do a bunch of extra stuff to get the video to be shorter. So the first thing that you definitely need to do is go into your model texture thing where you're storing your texture ID and then add an extra one, an extra integer for the glow ID, and this will hold the integer of the glow map, location of glow map. So then just pass that in here and set it, and then create the get function like you have for your texture, and then should go into the shader program and create another location for your glow map, and then down here just set it like you would with your other textures, and then wherever you're setting the integers for where your textures are, then just set your glow map to the next one, and then in your entity renderer, in the place that you're loading the textures, just load it into the integer that you set it to be, and then in your fragment shader, then just take that in, and then if you don't, you're probably gonna have multiple lights in your thing, so you should go down here and just make it so that the diffuse isn't anything, or just not do the lighting calculation. But because I don't have multiple lights in a specific game that I'm working on right now, I'm just making it so that it gets the glow color. And you have to do this with a texture, and then just use the normal texture coordinates and the glow sampler thing that you passed in, the sampler 2D, and then you can test any component because it'll just be white for where it needs to be glowing. So then if it's larger than 0.5, then just make it so that it doesn't use your lighting calculation anymore. And then for making your glow maps, just make your texture. So I just have the texture for this thing. This is the walls right here, and then this is the window color. And then this here is the same place where the walls are, and it's black. This is the same place where the window color was, so it's white. So just make a separate texture and then just put white everywhere in basically the same location that the other parts of the texture for your glowing parts were. And then it should work just like my one, that the parts never turn dark. So that's all for this tutorial.